Hello, this is Mr. Morgan, and the assignment that we're going to be doing is Balancing 1, 2017. So you go ahead and open it. And the first one says balance this equation. Let me zoom in so everybody can see it. Okay, so we have methane and water goes to carbon monoxide and hydrogen or dihydride. Okay, so the first thing that you do is you look for something that you cannot change. In this particular one, it's that. So we have to have how many hydrogen? Well, 3 times 2 is 6. We can't change that. We know that we have 2 hydrogen here and we have 4 hydrogen here. Let me go through that again. We need 6 because 3 times 2 is 6 hydrogen. We can't change that. We can't change the C. We have 1 C. We can't change that. So, and we know that we need 6 hydrogen. So we need 1 C and 6 hydrogen. Usually if you just change one, everything else will be perfect. We got 1 C, we got 6 hydrogen. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the exact same thing, but you have to read on your periodic chart or on your notes for exploratory chem what type of reaction this is. The first thing that we're going to do is balance it. And if you look here, we have 2 H's. We can't change that. We have 2 N's. We can't change that. We have 6 O's and we can't change it. We've got 2 N's here. What has to go there? It has to be a 1. So if you got 2 N's on this side of the arrow and you have 2 N's, forget everything else, just put a 1. So when you're looking at the type of reaction, what you have to do is go under study guides if you don't have one printed out. Notes for quizzes, pull that up, and it's on the bottom. Does your reaction have oxygen as one of its reactants? Yes, but it's not singular. It's not tied up. I mean, everything else is in water, so it doesn't have just oxygen. There's oxygen in it, but it's not. Does your reaction have 2 or more chemicals combining to form one chemical? If yes, it's a synthesis. Well, we have 2 things here because it's divided by an addition sign, and 1 thing here. So it's a synthesis. And you just do this the entire rest of the worksheet. Let's take a look at some things that a bigger one. You got EU and you have 2 EUs. I know that we can't change this, so that has to be a 2. And over here you can't change that, so that has to be a 3. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you do that, we should have 6 H's. And by proxy, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. Those are balanced. We have 2 EUs and 2 EUs. What type of reaction is this? Ladies and gentlemen, I see a single element. If I come to my worksheet and I look, does your have any molecules that contain only one element? If yes, then it's a single displacement. So you have to go through all of these questions to find the one. Does your reaction have any molecules that contain only one element? And you come back and you go, look, it has one element, single displacement. And that's it. You just have to do that for the whole thing. And we got that one right, and we got that one right. So once again, look for what you can't change, and then utilize the types of reactions to answer those. So that's all I got. Good luck with this assignment. I really want it to be due to today. And that's it. Have a great day.